Welcome back, everybody. It's been 2 months since I updated my 818 build. I did miss my December update because I had some other things going on, and I will fill you in on what has been happening for the last 2 months since we last did a video. So a few months ago, I got engaged, and my fiance lives down in Lexington, Kentucky. So after job searches and debating whether or not she'd go to Michigan or not, we chose Lexington, Kentucky. So I had to start packing up my condo and my car stuff, and I just got down here last week. So I do now live in Lexington, Kentucky. I've taken a job at Toyota down here, and all of my other stuff is still being shipped. There's been a huge issue with the moving company, and my 1-day delivery has turned into a 3-week delivery. So I'm living without my stuff for 3 weeks, which is not ideal. The car did ship separately, and that transporter got this down here very quickly. They delivered it during a rare snowstorm for Kentucky, where we got like 9 inches that day, and only that day. My fiance said that was the most snow she's seen down here in 5 or 6 years. And of course, it happened on the day that my 818 was being delivered. So we got to fight this off the trailer and in the snow-filled streets and coming up a steep driveway, but we were able to get it done. And now the 818 is sitting pretty in a 2-car garage. I do have more space now, an upgrade from my small 1-car garage up in Michigan. And now I'm just waiting on all my tools and belongings and car parts to show up so I can resume my life, basically. I did get a couple of new goodies though. Last time we talked, I think I mentioned getting a new steering wheel, since the current one from the Subaru is very large and doesn't really quite match the look of the car. So I'm going with a quick release setup so I can take the steering wheel off easily and get out of the car a little easier. So I went with an NRG setup. And here's the NRG short adapter. So this will bolt on to the Subaru column. And then we go to the NRG quick release. And I'll show you a couple photos of that released. I can't do it holding the camera. It needs 2 hands. But that'll allow me to remove the steering wheel from the column. I move on to my NRG steering wheel. And I'll flash a picture of my order list. I haven't confirmed that everything attaches properly yet, so take it with a grain of salt until I confirm all of this works together on the Subaru. But I'll show you what I bought, and so you'll know for reference if you need it or just interested. But this is a 320 millimeter steering wheel. So that is, I think, about a 13-inch diameter. Versus the Subaru one, which is closer to 14 and a half maybe. So a couple inches smaller diameter. It's also suede covered. The middle piece is a horn button, so that's nice. I think I might need that legally to get the car registered in Kentucky. I think you need to retain your horn and blinker functions. I did choose this setup because it should allow my blinker to self-cancel. So when you're done with your turn, the blinker turns off automatically in a normal car. Some setups eliminate that function. I'm trying to keep it so this drives like a normal car. I don't have to turn off and on the blinker separately. So I apologize to everybody that follows this. I know I've been quiet for 2 months. Like I said, I was job searching, holidays, moving, shipping a car, driving my other car down here, and just sorting out everything. I also was hit by COVID. So I had COVID a couple weeks ago. I wasn't able to start my new job at Toyota on time because of it, and everything's just been slow moving and not a lot to show you. So we're getting back on track. Hopefully the next video I have all my items and I have returned to building the car, and we'll have some more exciting updates. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Bye.